my channel. Today's episode is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look, this kind of citrusy, fire, fun, beautiful ombre cut crease eye that you can wear anywhere, but for sure on a night out. When we go into the next frame, I would have already done my foundation, I'd have done my contour, I'd have done my brows, and we'll just go in to a step-by-step talk through. Yes, darlings, I haven't talked to you guys in a while. All right, my loves. Ula, say hello.
Hello.
Ula says hi. He's been so good lately, buying me a couple of little gifts and everything, and I will show you also the new lashes that I'm absolutely in love with. So let's get into it, guys. Let's play with makeup. Ula, he's so funny. So I'm going to use my depotted jumbo pencil in milk. I'd always put it in here. It's such a fabulous base and it really lets the eye colors pop. So I'm going to take a brush, any flat brush is going to do, and I'm going to just take a little bit. Don't take too much, you know, and I'm just going to spread that all over the lid. There you go. It's a bit sticky, which we want because we want the color to really pop off on this. Okay, then go with any fluffy brush will do, and I'm going to go with my Zulu palette from JUVIA'S place, and I'm going to go in with this gorgeous orange right here. Tip it off. We're just going to punch it in first. You're going to swirl it in a car wash motion, but you're going to do this first, yeah, so you can get that color right in there. And if you're a little nervous, you can just take some setting powder and you can put that underneath your eyes. So just put that there just to make sure it safeguards your makeup. There you go. Let me just put it a little bit more. Voila, and you're good. Then we're going to go with the Festival palette, and we're going to go with Isafa. Take off the excess. And we're going to go halfway onto the orange, right there. That's where we're going to go. And we're going to bring that in. See? And take it all the way out. There you go. So you have that gradient effect, yes? Alrighty. We're going to take a JUVIA'S brush. This is a blending brush, 007. Yes, 007 Pro blending brush. This is one of their new brushes. Love it. So we're going to go in with the Saharan palette volume 2. We're going to go in with Zoha right here. Let me go a little bit, bring it down, yeah. Tap off the excess. And we're gonna go into that crease right there, and even deeper that crease, the more. Right there, yes, with the 007. This is one of the newest brushes from JUVIA'S place. No wonder I love it so much. I wish I was a Bond girl. Totally. And take it right to the quick, to the outer V. Now we are going to do a cut crease. I'm going to take my flat brush, and this brush is a 195 by MAC. I'm going to take my depotted jumbo pencil in milk. I'm just going to tap it on the edges, and we're going to cut this puppy. Okay, I love this brush because it's got that angled effect, you see, and that's what you really need when you're trying to do a cut crease, I find. So we go in right into the edge, right there. That's what I do. Don't worry, we're gonna go over it again. There you go. And I have a little bit of a hooded eye, so I can tell that I have to go over a certain line. So if you're one of my hooded sisters, just go over your natural fold of the eye. That is a huge guide for you. Or you can lift your eye up like this, like I'm doing, all the way up, and there you'll have your guide. And as you can see, I know where mine is, so it hasn't gone right over. So we're going to go back in with Ole, and Ole is from the Festival palette. I'm just going to dab, any flat brush will do. I love this color so much. It's one of the most beautiful whites ever. Tap off the excess. Then we are going to go in. We're going to go in with Manwood, this very lovely peachy pink right here. Take up the excess, and I'm just going to go on top of that white and have that gradient effect. See? Tap very lightly. We're going to flip the brush, and we're going to go in with the red. And we're just going to go onto the sides like so. Trickle it all the way down and go back and forth. Yeah. And I'm going to go in with Zoha at the very end right here. This one, love this. And just tap it right in at the edges right there. There you go, see? Then you can go in with a thin brush and you can go right over the cut crease just to deepen it. Then I'm going to take my MAC 242 brush, flat brush. I'm going to go in with Ya, and I'm going to put this on the brow bone. A liquid liner, this is NYX. So I'm going to take my MAC 219. I'm going to go in with Layla. It's a very dark brownish. I'm going to mix the two. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix the two. And I'm going to go underneath my eye. Yes. Bring it halfway. I'm going to go in with the Saharan palette again. I'm going to put a little bit into the tear duct, some glitter. I'm using Iman. This is by NYX. This is the Wonder Pencil in medium. I'm just trying to open up the eye. Wonderful. Do you see? I like that. So we are going to go in now with some mascara and some lashes, and I will be right back, okay? And then we'll finish up the look. Guys, these are Tati lashes. I am living for them right now. They are so gorgeous. They are faux mink lashes, and they're just fabulous. So that's what I have. TL3 faux mink lashes, Tati lashes. Get these, gorgeous. Okay, all right, so we're gonna go in with blusher, and I'm gonna take Becca, and I think this is Hyacinth. It's a lovely pink, and we're just going to swoosh swoosh this with my Morphe M500 brush, and I'm just going to put this on the apples of my cheeks right there, just to give it a little color. I don't need too much. Just put a little bit here on the sides of my temple. And I'm going to go in with Danisa Myricks highlighter, and this one is called Desire. We're going to open this, and it's like a rust. Oof. Take your beauty blender, punch it right in so you have this, and then I put this in right there. See? And it just gives me what I want. So if you guys are not too sure about using the brush, you can just put this on the high tips of your cheekbone and you'll be good. And you just blend that in. Yeah, love it. Living, absolutely living. And we're going to go in with the Primark lipstick, nude from the nude collection for the deeper skin tone. Yeah. We're going to go in the middle with MAC, and this is Naturally Transformed. I'm going to use my MAC pencil in Chestnut and go over that. And I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. I love this so much. And there you have it, my loves. Beautiful citrus glam. That's what I consider this to be. I love this combination so very much, and I think it's so complimentary on deep skin tones. I think it's gorgeous, that gradient of that fire. It's like a citrus red fire, you know. So thank you for watching, my loves. Leave all of your comments down below. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, as well as hitting the notification button so that you can have Fumski in your homes, in your lives, at least twice, twice a week. All right, darling. Until then, we shall see later. Kiss, kiss. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.